Here is our chicken. I have some lime inside here. The chicken was already clean, so now I'm going to wash the chicken with some lime and vinegar. For those of you who wondering why I still have the skin on the chicken, I'm going to be doing a French fried chicken, so that's the reason why I keep the skin on it. The skin actually keeps the chicken moist, and it also gives it a beautiful color when it's fried, so you will see the end product shortly. Yes, so I'm washing this out with the lime so it's not raw, especially the thigh areas. I'm washing this out properly with the lime. The wings, leg, everything is going to be washed properly. Over here we have our seasoning that we're going to use to season our chicken. We have some allspice, aka pimento. We have black pepper, paprika, some Maggi chicken seasoning, onion, scallion, thyme, ginger, and some garlic, and our favorite Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and season the chicken, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so right now I'm just rubbing all these seasoning and goodness into this chicken. This chicken going to be tasting nice and spicy. This is actually very spicy. A lot of Scotch bonnet pepper in it. And if you're going to do this at home, make sure you wear gloves, because I'm not wearing any gloves. Don't follow me. My hands are used to this. I've been doing this for years. Yeah, that Scotch bonnet pepper will get to you. Yo, yeah man, noon must ready now man. Yeah. Nah man, we have a share man. Why make you want all I noon? Why you want all I noon, Biggs?
Yeah, you not get no youth.
You not get no youth, so you want all I noon?
Yeah man.
Yeah, you're there. And you want noon too? We are sure, we make sure everybody gets.
Hands get one bonus to give noon.
Yes, hands get one?
No phone.
So hands get no fun. I will drink you out of calabash, do you know? You know what I'm saying? I might have a drink out of your bush, you know?
This one,
yeah, boy. Yeah, man, well fermented, you know? Yeah, man. You have to drink this out of your bush to get the real spirituality out of it, you know? Natural. Before we get into it, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, hit the subscription button below. Like this video, share it with family and friends, leave a comment. Yeah, man. So let's get it chopping. Season the pot, yeah? See it, you know? These are the master ingredients, you know, the coconut milk. Alright, but I turned on the fire earlier. So I'm going to turn up the fire now. Alright, so this is a very important process when you're doing the French fried chicken. Here we have about 3 eggs. We're gonna whip those out. And over here we have some flour. We put a little bit of black pepper in it. And we put a little bit of the Maggi seasoning in it. You can also put some paprika, sprinkle some paprika in it to give it color. Yes, and then this is going to be the batter for the chicken for the French fry. When you season it like this, it add nice spice to it. We also put some baking powder into the flour. Yeah, some baking powder we put into the flour.
Too much, you know?
Just a little bit of baking powder to give the flour that you see that crispiness that the KFC chicken have and give it a nice crust. Yeah man, so we put a little bit of paprika in the flour. You give it a real nice color when the chicken fry. Chicken, it was seasoned from overnight. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the seasoning, all the green seasoning from the chicken, because if you fry the green seasoning with the chicken, they're going to burn and make the chicken taste bitter. So you're going to remove all the green seasoning to use it to make the gravy later. We're gonna dip the chicken in the egg, yeah, and we're gonna dip it in the flour to form a nice coat on it, yeah. Yeah, man. You can do it like this if you don't want to get your hands dirty. So you see through that bush, we just put it on the night, yeah, man. And it come like your onion, so a little extra spice, you know, yeah, man. Alright, so we're gonna wash the rice and now put in a pot. Big so much more rice in the thing. Give me some water.
Watch it, more rice, brother.
This one more rice?
Yeah, man.
Why?
Watch the food shot, you know?
If food shot, me not get none.
Yeah, man, call extra more there, you know?
Extra more there?
You have to do that. I mean,
and you're not shot for your food?
food.
Well, big, the way I talk to man.
We have to have this, man. Time hard, Roger Clark, I'm going to call him.
So I'm just turn up by the fire right now. By the fire, they turn down. I turn up by the fire, you see it? Yeah, man, it take a art and a skill to turn down. Control them kind of outdoor fire. A regular man can't do it. Alright, so boy, I open up rice, you know, so these get into your share. Alright people, so I stir the rice to make sure I have enough water to the rice, you know. Alright, now like I telling you before in our previous videos, the rule I come to cooking rice or bulgur in one of them wheat there is just to make sure you have at least an inch of water above the rice. Yeah? So right now this is perfect. I didn't measure it, but because I've been doing it for such a long time, I know how to do it. Alright, so what you can do is just use your finger quick and dip into the rice like this, and you get 1 inch. So you know, say this is 1 inch. And you're perfect. You can't spoil the rice right there. Yeah, so 2 pieces of chicken there ready, you know, see it there?
Yeah, golden brown, you know. Look like KFC, brother.
Oh, you mean artist? At KFC now have nothing for it.
KFC now have nothing for this, man.
Yeah, man, I eat, man. French fried chicken.
Boy, put nice chicken.
Yes, viewers and subscribers. When you want to test your chicken, if your chicken is fried properly, what you can do, you just push a knife or a fork or whatever in it and test it like this. And once you see the juice come out of the chicken clear, you know that that's an indication that the chicken is cooked. Alright? For me now, over the years, I can just feel the weight of the chicken and I can tell that the chicken is cooked. But if you're home and you're going to try this for the first time, just practice that way. Use a pointed object, a toothpick or something, and just juke the chicken. And if you see red looking liquid coming out of the chicken, it's not cooked. So you can put it back and make it cook more. Once the liquid is clear, that means that the chicken is cooked. Alright, so I'm going to let you see inside of here. You see it fall off the bone. See that? Nice, fried, crispy, tasty. Black and crispy. Black and crispy, man. Taste, man. Let them take it all out, sir. Review.
KFC.
Where's the black chicken taste?
Yeah, man. KFC.
Alright,
Nobody
you know,
does it better.
You know, come and cover your car, you don't forget.
We've got them out now?
Yeah. Come on, take them out right away.
See, and they are in our kitchen today, now. See me? Yeah, man, I eat, man. So we'll take out the chicken out of the pot now. Nice golden brown. Crispy.
Yeah,
KFC now, nothing pan away. Yes. Alright, see rice and peas, it'll get nice and shelly. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover it with a piece of file paper. If you don't have file paper, you can use film wrap and cover your rice and peas and make it steam out. Because we want the rice and peas nice and shelly, you know? Biggs, what you say? Enough rice in that pot? Let the people see this. You see this little bit of crumbs that's left off after you fry your chicken? This is what we're going to use to give the gravy flavor and give the gravy body, because this is kind of like flour and all the seasons kind of burn at the bottom. So we're going to take out some of it. We're not going to use all of it, because if we use all of it, we're going to make the chicken bitter. The gravy actually bitter. Alright, so we're just going to mash this out, because remember this is flour. So this is going to give the gravy the body. Yeah? We're going to mix this with all the green seasoning and boil it down to a nice gravy. The sauce now for the chicken sauce for the French fried chicken, yeah? So I'm going to get some of the seasoning them from off of the green seasoning from off of the chicken earlier. So I have some onion, garlic, pepper. What is it again? Thyme. I have some pimento in it. People, the sun hot, so I can't even focus. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna put some sweet pepper in it and tomato also. Alright. And then I strain it off. Because I don't really want the seasoning them to show up in the sauce when I make it. Some people like the seasoning in them sauce, but me don't like it. So we just strain it off so it look. I actually like it because it look better. Now that we extract the all the nice flavors and stuff from the green seasoning, I'm going to strain this off. And put in the vegetables and some ketchup and make it simmer down to get the gravy we want. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to throw back this in the pot, you know. And I'm going to cut up some carrots and Irish and put in it and some ketchup. Alright, so right now we're going to make a salad to serve with the food. So we have cabbage, tomato, cucumber, onion, sweet pepper, and carrot. So you see, I'm going to shred this on the grater now and make a nice salad to serve with the food, you know? Because, you know, you have to have a balanced diet, so you have to eat some vegetables too. Yeah man, and don't forget the artist, you know, in the Audio Mac, hottest tune right now, Road.
Yeah. I think Hostile Music Channel.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, turn up on
Yeah, man. Pick
YouTube.
up yourself, my brother.
Yeah, we have the Facebook page just still, but you know.
Alright, so right now, we're going to make a dressing for the salad. All you need in it is a little bit of sugar, a little bit of olive oil, some vinegar, and a little bit of lime juice, yeah? So I already have it inside here, and I'm going to mix it together now. I'm going to apply the dressing onto the salad right now. Yeah man, so see the dressing now, I'm just sprinkle it all over the salad. The salad is ready.
Beautiful.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Okay people, here we have the final product of our Jamaican Sunday dinner. We have some rice and peas right here. We have some sauce over there. Our French fried chicken is right here, nice and golden brown. Over here we have a nice salad, beautiful salad. And then we have some homemade carrot juice right here. Dean, where are you?
Yes man, at the 5-star general plate this side.
Yeah?
Yes man, I hit.
A big man plate that?
Yes man, real big man. How you stay, Jenna? How you stay? How you look?
Oh, you stay, Biggs?
You good now?
That enough rice, that? Let me see it. That enough for Biggs? The little big man good. How much is that chicken you want, Biggs?
Oh yes man.
How much? Full plate.
Alright. Hold on, if anything you can return, you see me? So go and second with the four. You work with the four, you know?
Come on man, make people see it off what go on. Alright, Biggs. So Biggs, you see, how long it take for match up that?
No, but kind of full.
You see, very kind of full? No, keep up. See, 20 minutes, I knock off that. Alright, see, real big man, yeah?
I work it down,
Yeah? Biggs, you see?
I work it down.
Yeah, I work it down. So you can wash it down with? What you wash it down with? So you can drink up all of that?
Shall I see?
Where you say, Reefer? Where you go?
Alright, what I want?
There, man.
Wonderful, man. See, fried chicken and rice and peas. Wonderful, you see it? Real French fry chicken, a real thing, and carrot juice.
Artist?
What go on?
Why shrimps?
Food tastes good man, you know.
Yeah?
All the vibes.
Real Sunday vibes.
Real Sunday vibes.
Really hard style.
Everything up my G, out here with it.
So,
some vegan food, you know what I mean? Because the youth don't eat flesh, you know. Yeah, man, on the farm, yeah. Up and road.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See, assistant chef, you know. The assistant chef assist me today. Big up to Dane.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Great job. Everybody enjoy them food and a smile. How so you think that, man?
Yeah, boy.
Simple life we all live up on the farm.
Farm life, you know.
A few minutes later, Biggs, the people are going to play, no? Biggs, come on, show the people the plate, man. Biggs, the people are the plate. People want to see the plate. Yeah, eat. Let people see the plate, Biggs. Let's see the remains. Yes. Why, Sunday best, Biggs, what you say? Oh, you there? Yes, people. Thank you guys very much for watching now. And hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, give the video a thumbs up. Like this video and share it with your family and friends. Leave a comment and please hit the subscription button. Also the notification bell so you don't miss out on another episode of the Bush Pot Cooking. Stay safe. One love. Bless it.